So, how do you feel about online learning after you go through lessons with Math Coffee?
At first, usually online learning, I thought it was a roadblock as it usually, I kind of get distracted in my room usually when I do online tuition. But with Math Coffee, because it keeps track of what I do, so I won't slack off and won't get distracted by things. Especially the teacher Kenji is watching you
The
software.
software, right? Actually, the software actually helps lah.
Yeah, like, it's more like monitor, so kids won't get distracted and watch YouTube.
How did Math Coffee help you improve your studies?
The work that you give us would, if we don't know, you will give us a learning video and teach us how to do. It will also be reoccurring questions. Like example, you go through this question before, next few assignments later we'll have the same question, and I will most likely know how to do because I remember the teaching videos.
So, is the teaching video in the learning portal helpful for your learning?
Yeah, helpful because as the videos won't like expire, so can usually go back there and check the videos when you're done.
So, to be honest, do you actually revisit back to the videos on the learning portal to recap on topics?
So I'm gonna be honest. Sometimes I don't really I don't really rewatch the videos. It's when sometimes if like I will like go back and check if got like questions I didn't know, and like no matter how much I will like go back and try to check and find the videos, or if cannot do, then I just watch and go through and then like understand.
So, what do you like most about Math Coffee?
I still like the interactions with you because you're very even you're not just a teacher. You're like you're there for your students. You will always like you will scold us when needed, and so that we can improve and not and you're scolding us for our benefit, not to just scold us for fun.
I got commented that I'm very fierce. Do you want to comment on the part where the really teacher Kenji is so fierce to the point
You're
that
only very fierce if it's accumulating problems. Like example, if once you're like better work hard, you will be a bit stern, but not like it's only when like it gets worse, then you will definitely put your foot down.
so the being fierce or being firm part is helpful for you?
Yeah, it definitely yes. Usually I will get assignments done. I'll definitely try my best to improve from what I was previously not doing well, like not doing homework always. Especially, I guess definitely talking doesn't always work for certain students. So usually the warnings also work well. I guess because and also the warnings work well so to make sure so we don't get more warnings and then no tuition.
How much have you improved? Can either tell us like maybe a grade or elaborate on the improvement you have?
Secondary school, I used to fail a lot. Like I will usually just pass or fail. But ever since joining your tuition, definitely it has improved. Even though it's still grade 5, at least it's not like just pass. It's like almost grade 4 sometimes. And then obviously at N levels, I was happy that got grade 2.
I think during your time,
you know, mine usually grade 4, right?
yeah. Up,
Yeah,
down,
then
down,
suddenly
down.
grade 2 is like,
Okay, so I want to ask you, what was your concern and skepticism before joining Math Coffee for online tuition?
I usually have this habit when I meet new tutors since I always be serious on the first lesson. Then because since like I do not know who they are, so and then but then after a while I get comfortable and then I can be more friendly. But like obviously like sometimes don't be so friendly to the point where you don't do assignments.
What do you like about teacher Kenji?
You're very friendly, but not friendly to the point that you're like it's okay, let this slide. No, you will let things slide But when you need to put your foot down, when you will notice pattern, you know how to you can notice when habits are formed, when people lie. Like you taught me about that problems with lying It's like you create more problems the more you lie